Has Disney World finally added their resorts to part of Cool Kids Summer Fun? Let's go find out. We are staying at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort this weekend, and we're gonna see some cool kids summer stuff. I'm super excited. There's gonna be a pajama party, there's gonna be games, there's gonna be movies, there's gonna be fun in the sun. There's all sorts of stuff here at Port Orleans Riverside. I am super excited because French Quarter is right around the corner, and I'm gonna get some beignets this weekend because it's Father's Day weekend, and we decided to come here for Father's Day weekend just to have some fun. We're gonna go see the resort. We're gonna go see what this resort has to offer for Cool Kids Summer, because I'm ready for the resorts to start feeling more part of the vacation and see if the vacation is not just the parks, but the resort as well. So we're gonna do a quick tour of the room. It's 1 bed, 2 beds, 3 beds, so 5 people can sleep in this room. This is a fun pull-down bed with Louis the alligator. How fun is that? And then you got Ray, and you got Tiana, and Prince Naveen as frogs in there. That's really fun. You got a lot of USBs and cords right there. You got our family name, like always see, and you got Cool Kids Summer. Oh yeah, Port Orleans Riverside. This just a fun room. I love the theming of these rooms. They're just so much fun. The bayou, look, it's Ray, what is her name? Angeline right there, the star. This is just such a fun room. I love the little touches, the washboard right there. That is so much fun. But yeah, it's a pretty standard room. This is not the new princess room, so you get a pretty fun room indeed. But you know, the room is only part of the fun. So we're going to check out the rest of the resort and see what kind of fun. We're at Cool Kids Summer right now at the pool.
Sadly, our
in
friend
Port Orleans.
have to leave us to go invent
This
some
is a lot of fun.
new
They're doing
inventions,
pretty much keepy uppy. So you got it done so you can hit it up in a row without it touching the water.
Our friends
it's really fun.
In
They play a lot of games. They do play a lot of games when it's not Cool Kids Summer. I feel like they play more when it is Cool Kids Summer. So
okay, and who are their friends?
Let's see all the games they play. See all the different games they play. They're playing getting all the stuff at the bottom of the pool game.
We still have
they had to get the different colors of the little things they're going to throw in, and they had to put them in the little buckets that they have. So that's going to be craziness. And the boys are over there playing, and then Faith is in the middle playing. Grayson went down the slide with Lindy. So I'm out here watching. So they did not need their color icicles, they just needed an icicle to bring it back to their bucket. So they could grab any icicle they wanted. They could only do one at a time. So they're having a rock contest with inflatable guitars. This is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, oh we got the energy to go these two. Look at them go. Look at them go. Holy cow. Oh yeah, and look, wait, both of them have Stitch on their bathing suits. That was perfect. Amazing. Alright, and freeze! Alright, here's those guitars. Get your coolest rock and roll balls. Oh yeah, rock out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we got the energy.
He's going in the wrong area.
I love it. Oh, we are on the ground. On our knees.
On the ground.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this squad is rocking out. I'm loving it. Alrighty then, freeze! Hit those guitars. Hit your coolest rock and roll moves.
What was that?
I can't even.
That was my concert.
Oh, we got an L-shaped.
You guys did good too.
Yeah.
Look at you guys.
Alrighty, my friends, and
So these are the things they got for playing the games. The Cool Kids Summer Beach Ball. How cool is that? That's fun. So Disney resorts have been a long thing of we go to the resort, maybe swim a little bit, but most of the time we just use it as a place to sleep and eat at the end of the night and sometimes get drinks and stuff. But you really don't spend too much time at the resorts because most of the time you're going to the parks, and that's just how most resorts are. But this year is a little bit different. This year is different because for the second year in a row, Disney has offered the Cool Kids Summer. And last year they just did it at their parks. Like they had a couple things. One of them was at Hollywood Studios and the other one was at Epcot. This year, though, they had them at all 4 parks, something at all 4 parks, and they actually brought it over to the resorts. Not all the resorts, just a few select resorts. And I'll put the list of them right down here. So the sing-along that they had at the campfire usually does not happen. Usually it's just the campfire, usually no sing-along, but sing-along is part of the Cool Kids Summer stuff. So that is a lot of fun. I like the added funness of the sing-along, the Disney songs. It's just so much fun doing that with roasting marshmallows all at the same time. I really wish they would keep that all day long. So I guess horses took a big poop. Holy cow, that is a big poop. Let me show you. See, a lot of poop. So the next thing they do here at the resorts for Cool Kids Summer is a story time pajama party thing. We're gonna go see the story time first. They do story time, they do a little craft activity thing, and then they do a pajama party meet and greet thing with a character. And tonight is gonna be Minnie. Last night they had Mickey out there. Tonight it's Minnie. I'm very excited to see her, see what her pajamas look like, because I've heard they're very cute. And they have it right in the main lobby area is where the fun happens for the pajama party. So they only have it on specific nights too. So you want to check the resort that you're staying at. You want to check their activities thing, and it will tell you if that night is a Cool Kids Summer pajama party or not, and the other Cool Kids Summer activities that are going to be happening. So this is the activity schedule for Port Orleans Riverside. And you can also, if you're staying at French Quarter, you can come over here and do this stuff too, because they don't have any of the stuff over there, but they do have this. And here is the QR code. So if you want to scan the QR code to see what they're doing, there you go. Just go ahead and scan it, and you can see the different schedule for all the Cool Kids Summer stuff. So this is the activity they are working on tonight. It is a book that they make themselves about their stay or whatever else. Is that pizza? Is that pizza? That is the smallest piece of pizza I have ever seen in my life. You have that whole piece of paper and drew the littlest, tiniest piece of pizza. You didn't even draw a whole pizza. You drew one tiny slice of pizza. What in the world is that? Did you eat the rest?
Yeah.
And just left one piece?
Yeah. Look at mine.
Hey. What is that? Is that a $1 bill?
No.
Is that money?
No.
Money in my pocket.
It's pasta.
That's pasta?
Yeah, that's it.
Are you sure that's pasta? That looks like a $1 bill.
No, it's pasta but green. Great job.
Green pasta? Like
Yeah.
spinach pasta.
No, not spinach.
But that's green pasta.
I don't like spinach though.
Then why'd you make your pasta green?
And
We're in line to meet Minnie. We didn't even know she showed up. She just came out of nowhere. So we're in line to meet Minnie, and I already saw her her outfit. It looks adorable. I didn't want to show you until we met her, but she looks adorable. That's all I'm gonna say. She looks adorable. So let's wait in line and go meet her. Now, just a warning, you're gonna be waiting for a while. We've been waiting for a while in line to meet Minnie. So put your patient pants on. Put your patient pants on. Put your patient pajamas on, because it's a pajama party. So, it's gonna be a while. Still have a little while to go. See, still have a little while to go before we get to meet Minnie, but I can't show you too much of her because I don't want you to see her yet. I don't want you to see her yet. And there is the fabulous Minnie. Oh my goodness, look at that pink and blue polka dotted outfit. Oh my goodness. Oh and goodness. Pretend like you're sleeping. There you go. There you go. That is adorable. I love your outfit, Minnie. It is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, thank you. I'm not in pajamas. Oh. It's okay. Yay! Thank you, Minnie. Thank you. Exactly. Oh, if only you would go to sleep that easy in real life. Bye, Minnie. So why does this Port Orleans thing look like the Jungle Cruise a little bit? Okay, Yeehaw Bob has nothing to do with Cool Kid Summer. But he's amazing. I love Yeehaw Bob. He has been here for 26 years now, 27 years, something like that. He's 73 years old. This man is amazing. Still does it Wednesday through Saturday, every single night here from 8:30 to 12:30. It's so crazy. He is a hoot. If you've never seen him, you need to come see him. Even if you're not staying here, you need to come see him. It's amazing. And me, so there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away. She is very into this show. So basically, Disney is intertwining their resorts with the parks pretty much, doing the Cool Kid Summer there, adding more special events type stuff at the resorts. And it's making you be able to stay at the resorts just a little bit longer and make that spending, that price tag, I think a little bit more bearable, because you know you're going to be spending more time at the resort than outside of the resort. So I will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye bye.